How's it going, everybody? My name is Ryan from the Aquascape Gods on Instagram. Today I kind of want to go over basically overall maintenance of an aquarium. In this case, I'm going to be using this jar over here. Probably closer to a year ago, I decided that I thought this jar was going to be cool enough for like a mini scape. So I put a rock inside, I planted some hair grass. I really just left it to do its own thing. I never really took care of it or cleaned it or did any type of maintenance on it other than just topping off the water. I never really got in there and siphoned and cleaned as well as I could. So today I kind of wanted to just go over how to maintain a small aquarium, and that will be including siphoning, scraping the rocks with toothbrush or a metal toothbrush, and then just doing a water change in general. So here's the video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate all of you. Thank you. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We appreciate all of you. Thank you. BAM!